Hey guys, welcome to my life. Alexa, turn on lamp 1. Now I'm shining bright like a diamond. So, let me give you a little scoop. So Orland has to use a different color sheet because when he eats chicken, he emits this grease out of his body that smells like vomit. And I like white because, you know, I am all bougie like that. This is to keep my feet, I have bad circulation below the knees. So I have to turn on these this is a heated blanket so that I can come back to life. You think it's a joke, it's actually very serious. But I like white because I keep everything nice and clean. I wash my sheets every single week. It's literally, our bill has gone up a lot. Orland's, he can't do white because he oozes vomit out of his skin. And I'm not being funny. He actually does. I look really swollen today. It's just water weight. I had a lot of food recently. I had a big cheat meal. And my hair, oh my god, I'm looking really not good, sis. Like, sis, do I look unhealthy to you? Yes or no? You know what? It is what it is because I'm hungry. I feel sodium on my lips. Anyways, Alexa, turn off lamp 1. Alexa, turn off lamp 1. We are gonna go to the mukbang room. Move this. Thank you. Okay. Catch my breath. It's horrible how my breath. I'm really salty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back home. Shooby-doo, we're home. Hello, we're back home. Shooby-doo, we're home. Hello. And this is hot and steamy. Well, not really because he's eating cold pineapple. But we're gonna have some apple up in here. Yeah! At least try to look happy. Try to smile. Okay. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright. Ah, my ligaments. Okay, we're gonna redo this. Ouch, my nose. I hope there's not like bumps in my nose. Okay. Can we not be fake? Okay. I don't want no fake bullshit. This better be what the expensive. Jesus. Okay. Stop touching me! Stop! Hey guys, it's me, Nick Avocado. Welcome back to the channel. We're back home. Shoo-doo, we're home. Just eat your pineapple. I will do the song myself. Stop. What's wrong with you? Just sit there and eat. Trying to be excited for my viewers because it's new. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy you're here. I am having an amazing day. And guess what I got in the mail today? My new iPhone! Ah! He's having all this amount. This is literally for a dog. But he really wants diabetes today, so fine with me. You can check out sooner. Okay, so you guys, this is a brand new iPhone. You guys know I have had Siri for a while. Now you're thinking like, Nick, we've already seen your new phone. Let me show you. Don't say anything. Let me show you this. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse you. I was lying to you. I got you I showed you this phone. This is this phone that I bought for him. And let's see, you have to set up Apple Pay, you have to set up your passwords, you have to do all these things still. Oh, this is a beautiful case. Listen. Oh, does it make the clicky noise? Oh. So this is why I showed you guys. I'm like, I got a new phone while I was lying. That was actually Orland's because I had not had time to get my phone transferred. So this is Orland's here. Yay! And we're gonna open up mine, unboxing, because everyone loves a nice unboxing. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. It looks like camera lens. To me, this reminds me of Sony. Don't they use Sony lenses in the iPhone cameras? Aren't they Sony Here we go. Shh. ASMR. Now, I'm glad that's over. Oh my god, ASMR is so weird. Shine bright like a diamond. Maybe Orland's phone will make the brightness go down. There we go. Yep, that's how it works. Too bright, shine white. Too dark, shine black. I also got a white one. Ah! Oh my gosh. Look at this. Ooh. Now it's too dark. I don't even know. This is just ridiculous. Ooh. And you peel this up. Ooh, oh, very carefully. Ooh. Here's my new iPhone. Ooh, shine bright like a diamond. This whole camera thing is so obnoxious. It's because our skin colors are different, and then it goes from his to mine, mine to his, and it just also does all like this. Okay. There we go. ASMR. Shh, don't you? What's it focused on? This isn't ASMR. I'm getting angry. My brand new iPhone. Oh. And the interesting about these phones is that it comes with little charger cables, but no charging box. So you're kind of screwed. You can't put this into the wall to get your electricity to the phone. So you have to go and, or I wish they would tell you this when you ordered it. By the way, we're not giving you a charger. We're gonna give you a little dinky cord, plastic cord. And they even give you Apple AirPods. I thought that was a thing with iPhones. They're getting less and less and cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. More and more cheap. So what they do give you is a sticker. What am I doing? And then they give you this little pin. This is like this is to put in your SIM card. Yeah, I buy my phones unlocked because I'm always changing carriers. I've been through every carrier. Depends where I am and what I'm doing. I buy them unlocked. So I can change carriers, change numbers real fast on a dime, which I've done many times. Was that broken? No, it's not. So, that's my unboxing video. Ooh. Excuse me. So this is Orland's case. I have a case just like this. It's also clear. His has blue around it. Mine's gonna have red. Oh, mine's bigger too. Not by much. It's just a little bit. Yeah, he has... Actually, it is by a lot because this whole case is adding in a whole inch. Well, something like that. It looks like they're the same size. They're really not. Orland's smaller, I'm bigger, which, you know, is true. Yeah, mine's the big daddy one. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. He has the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, so mine's bigger. You can see mine's bigger screen. Yeah, it's definitely more to grab than this one. You have to like, my fingers don't even touch when I hold it. Just true. Okay, well, goodbye. The show is over. How's your pineapple? Actually, I don't care. And I'll get juice on my new phone. Here's your phone. You can sit in the dark. That's all you deserve.